To fix that, you can make a right click on the start menu, go to task manager, and then go to the details tab and find this msiexec.exe. So if you find it, make a right click and then you can click on end task. Once this is done, try to install it again and then check. Still not working. In that case, you can run this command. This command is provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, and then make sure that you open command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow, paste the command over here, hit the enter. And once this is success, now you can try to install it once again and then check. Still not working, restart your computer once, and after the system restart you can try once again and you should be able to install it successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.